Speak, listen up.
Excuse me? I think I got the wrong room.
Oh, really? Which room did you get?
Room 405. But someone else's stuff is here.
Let me check our system.
There's a suitcase and shoes on the bed.
Oh, that's not yours, yes?
Definitely not mine. I only brought a backpack.
Don't worry, we will fix this.
Fix this? Do I have to move?
Maybe we can switch you to another room?
Another room? Is it bigger?
Possibly. Or same size, but cleaner.
Clean is good, but I feel like a spy in someone else's room.
Yes, your mission is to escape the wrong room.
Escape? Do I need a cloak too?
Optional, but recommended for style.
Okay, I'll grab my backpack and sneak.
Or we can escort you safely.
Escort sounds better than sneak.
Follow me. Your new room awaits.
Wait, my key card is for 405.
That's okay. Here's a new one for 502.
502. Okay, I hope this room is empty.
Don't worry. No surprise guests here.
Good. I don't want awkward conversations.
Exactly. Privacy is our priority.
Can you carry my backpack?
Sure, I can escort you with style.
Style? Like Hollywood entrance?
Exactly. Spotlight optional.
I feel famous already.
Celebrity guest, yes!
Should I wave to imaginary fans?
Definitely. It's good practice.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hello, fans!
Perfect. Now we enter 502.
Wow! Room is nice and spacious.
Yes, we made it extra comfortable.
And clean. No leftover suitcases.
Exactly. Mission complete.
Wait, there's a welcome note and chocolate?
Yes, we like our guests to feel special.
Chocolate is my favorite bonus.
Enjoy it before someone else does.
No one is touching my chocolate.
Good guarding skills.
Should I check the closet for hidden surprises?
Optional, but no monsters, I promise.
I believe you.
Okay, good. Trust is important.
But what if the Wi-Fi doesn't work?
Don't worry. We have strong Wi-Fi.
Strong? Like superhero Wi-Fi?
Exactly. Faster than a bullet.
Amazing! Now I can video call my friends.
Yes, they will be jealous.
I love that feeling.
Hotel perks are fun.
Mission 502 is successful.
Yes. Congratulations, agent guest.
Should I unpack my backpack now?
Yes, but lightly. You might move things later.
True. I don't want to carry my bags again.
Exactly. Less work, more fun.
Fun like exploring the hotel?
Yes. Check the pool, gym, and lobby.
Gym? I don't exercise much.
Optional, but maybe suitcase lifting.
I already did heavy lifting today.
Good training for future adventures.
Okay, I'll just explore the pool.
Yes. Pool relaxation recommended.
Should I bring my backpack?
No, leave it here. It can guard your treasures.
Treasure backpack! Yes!
Very important artifact.
I feel like Indiana Jones.
Mission pool is next.
Ready for action.
Follow me, agent guest.
Oh, wait. I got a phone call from the front desk.
Probably about the previous room.
Yes. They say someone needs their stuff.
No problem. We will deliver it.
Delivery? Like room service?
Exactly. But without the menu.
I love this hotel.
We love happy guests.
So they will bring the bag to the right room?
Yes, our team will escort it.
Escort again? That sounds luxurious.
VIP bag service.
My suitcase is more important than me?
Sometimes, yes. Especially when it has clothes.
True. Very true.
And don't worry, no mix-ups this time.
Fingers crossed.
Good attitude.
I trust you, agent receptionist.
Ha! Mission bag is our priority.
So, what else is fun here?
Rooftop view bar and restaurant.
Rooftop. I like views.
Nice for photos and selfies.
Selfie time already?
Always optional, but recommended.
Okay, I'll take one with my luggage.
Bag and guest combo perfect.
Maybe Instagram will love this.
Definitely. Hashtag VIP bag adventures.
Ha! I need more hashtags.
Hashtag hotel life. Hashtag lost no more. Hashtag chocolate bonus.
Perfect. I'll post later.
Good. Share the fun.
Do you have games or activities?
Yes. Board games and puzzles.
Perfect. I love puzzles.
Then Mission Relax can start.
Relax time with chocolate.
Essential for hotel survival.
Wait, someone is knocking at my door.
Probably our staff bringing the previous room's bag.
Oh, hope they don't see me in pajamas.
Don't worry. Staff used to this.
Okay, I'll hide under the blanket.
Optional, but dramatic.
Ah, yes, I feel like a spy again.
Mission cozy.
Door opens, they smile. Hi!
Bag rescued and delivered.
Yay! Success!
No more mix-ups today.
Phew. Relieved.
Mission Hotel complete.
Can I keep the welcome chocolate?
Yes, forever or until you eat it.
Then forever is short.
Chocolate doesn't last long.
True. But memory lasts.
Good philosophy.
Should I call my friends and tell them?
Yes, they will laugh and learn English.
Yes, lost bag and wrong room.
Perfect story for conversation.
New phrases like fixed this and escort.
Very useful daily English.
I feel like I leveled up.
Level up. Congratulations.
Ha! Next mission.
Pool relaxation.
Pool adventure. Yes.
Don't forget sunblock.
Sunblock check.
Towel ready?
Towel and chocolate.
Essentials for fun.
Hotel fun mission.
Approved.
I love this hotel.
And we love happy guests.
Should I explore the city?
Optional, but fun.
I might walk around.
Map or app?
App. Easy for tourist.
Good choice.
What if I get lost?
Ask locals. They are friendly.
Friendly? Like you? Exactly. Mission explore begins.
Adventure awaits.
I hope I don't mix up rooms again.
No room mix-ups today.
Fingers crossed.
And eyes open.
Yes,
Enjoy your walk.
I will.
Mission Hotel almost complete.
Thanks for helping me with everything.
You're welcome. It's my job.
You were so friendly and funny.
Glad to make you smile.
I was stressed before, but now happy.
Good attitude brings good energy.
Mission Hotel success.
Yes, bag delivered, guest happy.
And chocolate is delicious.
Essential, mission accomplished.
I will tell my friends all about this.
Perfect story for English practice.
They will laugh.
Laughter is good.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye. See you soon.
Now it's quiz time. Why did the guest think something was wrong with room 405? The lights didn't work? Someone else's things were inside? The room was too small? The key card didn't open.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Correct answer is B. Someone else's things were inside. 2. What new room did the receptionist give to the guest? A. 404, B. 407, C. 502, D. 305.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Answer C. 502. Number 3. What special gift was found in room 502? A. Flowers, B. Chocolate and a note, C. A free ticket, D. A map of the city.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Answer B. Chocolate and a note. 4. What did the receptionist call the bag delivery service? A. Luggage Express, B. VIP bag service, C. Hotel Magic, D. Guest escort.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Answer is B. VIP bag service. 5. What was the guest planning to do at the end? A. Sleep all day, B. Explore the city, C. Change hotels, D. Stay in the lobby.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
B. Explore the city. Boom! Great work! Practice more, shine more. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.